Hello everyone, welcome you all and I hope you are all doing well. So in this video we are going to study from the straight line equations of the straight lines. Okay, in the previous video we have seen about the inclination and the slope of a line. From here we are going to find the equations of straight line. In this video we are considering the two forms of the straight line, that is the 2-point form. Means we have given us the 2 points. With the help of 2 points we are going to find the equation of straight line. How we are going to see this? Okay, second is point slope form. Means we are given here a point is given and a slope is nothing but m is given us. With the help of this we are going to find the equation of straight line. Okay, so for that what we will do now, for example, consider the Cartesian coordinate system. This is our x-axis and this is our y-axis. Okay, now consider a straight line. So this is the straight line. Okay, our straight line is passing through 2 points. So consider this is point A, x1 comma y1. Okay, now consider the another point B, x2 comma y2. Means what? Our straight line is passing through 2 points, A, x1 comma y1, B, x2 comma y2. Now what you will do, we will consider a locus of a point P, x comma y in the straight line. Means what we have considered? We have considered a locus of a point P, x comma y on the straight line. Okay, now if you observe this, you can see that A, B and P, the three lies on the same line, isn't it or not? These 3 points lie on the same line. So if they lie, if the 3 points lies on the same line, from the 2D geometry we have learned that if 3 points lies on the straight line, then I can write slope of, and they are in this direction only, then the slope of AB is equal to slope of PA. Okay, if 3 points lies on this straight line, then I can write from here that the slope of AB is equal to slope of AP or PA. Then how to find the slope? In the previous video we have seen in detail. If you not watch the video, the link of the video is provided in the description. So what we have derived in the previous video, that is the formula for the slope of the line, that is m is equals to what? y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. This is the formula to find the slope of a line when 2 points are given. So here also 2 points we know. With these 2 points we are going to find the slope of, that is AB, that is slope of AB is equal to slope of PA. Okay, so what is the formula? That is y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1, which is equal to, means slope of AB we have found. Similarly we need to find slope of PA. So same formula we have to apply. So this is become x2 y2, this is x1 y1. So y2 minus y1 means y2 here is what? Y, minus y1 here is what? Y1 only, divided by x2 here is what? X, minus x1 here is what? X1 only. I hope you understand this. We have applied this formula and we have, with this 2 point we find the slope, and with this 2 point we have found the slope. Now rearrange the term, send this term that side. So what it will become? See, y minus y1 equal to this as it is, y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. This will come in the numerator, x minus x1. So this is the formula to find the equation of a straight line when 2 points are given. Okay, when 2 points are given, or we know the 2 points, with the help of this equation we will find the equation of the straight line. So what is the formula? When 2 points are known, y minus y1 equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. So this is the formula. Okay, but if you look here, this y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 is nothing but what? This is the slope m. So if I replace this term with the slope, what I get? Y minus y1 equal to m of x minus x1. So this is the formula for the slope intercept. Sorry, point to slope form. Means point is given x1 y1 and slope is given as m. So this formula is used when 2 points are given, x1, y1, x2, y2. This formula we will use when one point is given, x1, y1, and slope is given. Okay, this is the two form of the straight line. So now let us take one example and find the equation of the straight line. Okay. Now let us see question. Find the equation of straight line passing through 5, 7 and 7, 5. Okay, solution. So we need to find the equation of straight line when 2 points are given. So first consider A 5, 7 as x1, y1. So this is x1, this is y1. Okay, and B point is given as what? 7, by nothing but x2, y2. So what is the equation of straight line when 2 points are given? Only we have derived, that is y minus y1 equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1, x minus x1. Okay, this is the formula. Now substitute the values, what you get? Y as it is minus y1 is nothing but 7 equal to y2 is how much? 5 minus y1 is 7 divided by x2 is 7 minus x1 is what? 5. X minus x1 is how much? 5. So what you get? See, why this is y minus 7 is equal to 5 minus 7 will be minus 2 by 7 minus 5 will be 2. This is x minus 5. 2 gets cancelled, we'll get minus 1. Now multiply, what you get? Minus 1 into x will be minus x. Minus into minus will be plus 5. 1 5 is 5. Bring all this, what will get? This y minus 7, this minus x will be plus x. Plus 5 will become minus y equals to 0. It is nothing but x plus y. Minus 7 minus 5, how much? Minus 12 equals to 0. So this is the equation of straight line when 2 points are given. Okay. So this is, in this way we are going to find the equation of straight line. Thank you.